How can I flick that? A really boom flick. Yeah, man. Yes. Yes. Me did tell you. Me did tell you. Gravel a flick pan. Gravel.
Bring some hope to St. Elizabeth in the area of farming and whatever other support, education, in whatever way they can be of benefit to the. And Jody, where's Jody? Oh, she have to leave. All right, we thank you very much, guys, for journeying down from Kingston to be here. We really, really appreciate it, and we look for greater things. Great start, Academy Parents Day, stronger parenting together. Thank you very, very much. Parents, we appreciate you. We want you to know that we care. And
Oh, she did it! Y'all see this? Servidor. No, thank you. Huh? No, thank you. I read the song. I thought so. Oh, I got the party.